మళ్ళీ డైరెక్షన్స్ గన్నుకో ఆగే ఫోన్కి Arpette route in andati keli oh kahira katana thina ne apne english में कथा करेंगे मगर कैसी बात सुना दे We had to climb. This is the first time I'm visiting over there. 350 meters remaining. Let me check the directions again. Yeah, it's still 450 meters remaining for the destination. The time is 15:46 right now. No, sorry, 15:39. Let's go, guys. This is the entrance. According to my knowledge, this is a place which some historical belongings and with some old culture date back to, I think, like 12 centuries, like 1200 years old place with some old people. According to my knowledge, I think that's it. So let's go and explore. Here we go. Look how beautiful this place is. Let's go over there. I actually don't have much information about this. I wasn't able to find some information, so I'm gonna write some important information about this place on the description. Make sure to read it, and I will put the important information beneath the video also. Look at this. La ricerca archeologica. We cannot enter for this place. Very calm and quiet. Very beautiful. Look at the sun over there. It's actually very amazing. Like, whole area is green. Everything's perfect. Let's go. I'm recording a POV video using my phone over here, and make sure to watch that video also, because I know some of the people like to watch the POV or the behind the scenes videos as well. Seems like an amazing place. Very calm and quiet. Very less crowded. No people. I think there's no even like 100 people over here. Look at this place, the hut. I'm gonna go inside, but there are like few people over here, so not sure. Maybe next time. There's a little plane flying over there. I'm not sure you guys can see it. Where is it? He's making some sort of cloth. What is this? Oh.
You made the information.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I would like to buy something over here.
Yes, of course. It's not problem at all. And if you have some question about the place, the history, just ask.
No, we don't have.
Can you give us like a little information about this place? Like
Yes.
what is the importance of here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. This is open air museum. It's an expansion of Poggibonsi when she was.
By the way, I have to pay with the cash, right?
Yeah, sorry, because in medieval age there isn't internet.
Yeah.
This is a project in itinerary, so we
Yeah.
are building
Yeah.
new structure, and we haven't for now electricity. So we
Yeah.
are still in medieval age for real.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry, but I haven't electricity.
Yeah.
So
By the way, if I paid you, I have 50 euro,
yeah,
and
I have the
Change it.
you have change, right?
Yeah.
Nice, perfect. I wanna buy some Libro Poggibonsi.
This one.
This one,
Okay.
the book, right?
Yes, it's the book. It's a
And
book we.
there are water bottles, mugs,
Yes.
hashtags.
Yes, there is the coin. The
Mm.
ancient coin.
How much is this one?
For real.
All right.
Necklace. Necklace. Yes. Yo-yo.
Marutin nama liyaage wandako.
Let me buy.
I actually have some cash, but the problem is I just don't want to change my 50 euro. That's why. Actually,
How much is this?
5.
yeah. I've been to Lucca and the beach and everywhere. It's very beautiful.
Ah,
And thank you so much for the information.
You're
Have a nice day. Wow, look at this place. Actually, an amazing guy with some good skill of English. Oh, look at the cross over here. I don't know whether I have the permission to touch the cross, but it's like an old one. There's a skull over there. Look at the skull. Nice. This is like a stove, old wood stove to cook food, and some a kitchen area to store food. So we can go for here. Yes, let's go. Italy is an amazing country with some with not only some, with the best history. I really like the history of Italy. Yes, perfect. There's like a little pond over here. Yes. The water looks like still water. La Chiesa di Santa Agnese.
Enjoy this place.
Yes. We already saw here, but let's not go from here since this is the entrance we came. We can go for the next road. Actually very calm, quiet, people are friendly, amazing, and I was actually surprised because that person speaks English. It's actually amazing for tourists, right?